American Standard Circuits presents Printed Circuit Board Terms and Definitions, a 77-second webinar series. Designing Flex for Success. Unclear layer designation. The purpose of a product specification is to provide clear, unambiguous instructions on the product's construction. In the case of a multi-layer circuit design, this is vitally important. The relationship of internal circuit layers relative to one another has become increasingly important not only in ensuring the correct interconnections are being made, but also in product performance, especially with controlled impedance designs and signal integrity issues. A number of different systems have been developed over the years to help assure there is no uncertainty in the order of the circuit layers in the final construction. Leverage the fabricator's engineering staff to provide recommendations if needed. As is the case with any multilayer construction, core thickness must be provided with the assumption that it is copper-clad on at least one surface. The core thickness is generally understood to be the thickness of the dielectric material between the copper layers. The core material can be a simple single-sided piece of copper-clad polymer, or it can be clad with copper on both sides.